Hey guys, check this out. This called Smatrul Tuya wireless intelligent Wi-Fi doorbell. Let's look into the some of the pictures here and the video and description or anything. Yeah. I found this.
The courier will put it at the door for me. Thank you. Please leave now. I have called the police.
That's the presentation. Yeah, so I bought this one button, and also one button, the house and also receiver, transmitter and receiver, whatever. The one that I bought, that the price is about 39 ringgit, almost 40 ringgit, but this I think now they have the promotion or discount, so 35, which is more cheaper, and if with the two receivers for 53. As you can see, there's 2,000 sold of this product. Okay, some of the reviews and also description here. Take a look at this. Okay, from here nothing. Okay, then here this is 1 year warranty. I'm not sure where how to get the warranty. Probably I don't know. Later on, I'm gonna try to find out. Okay, and yeah, this is just on the picture. Okay, now let's do the unboxing. Let's look into the real product. Okay, and you just yourself, and let's go. Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Dor Network with me, Dior Shaari. Okay, I just bought this interesting mini doorbell. Smatrul Tuya. It uses the Tuya apps with the Wi-Fi 2.4 connection. That so this intelligent Wi-Fi, it says doorbell. This is what I wanted to say. I'm sorry. It's a doorbell with a camera. So yeah, okay. Come to here. So let's unboxing. So look at this. The be in front, on the side, below, on the top, and also the side here. Okay, now let's unbox it. So the box also quite interesting. So what they gave here, and this one, the receiver. Okay, if you want to look at it. Okay, yeah, just your button, and yeah, this one. Oh, hi. Oh, cute. Okay, and then the main product. Net room. Yeah. Okay. On the side. Yeah. Oh, Type C. Yeah, I forgot. But I'm so curious what is this actually. I'm not sure about that. And here behind here, there's actually you can. Oh, this one. Yeah. Wait. Wait. Okay. Just like this. Okay. So this behind, and there's a two hole here. I'm not expert, but I think I know what's the purpose for this. I'm gonna show you later on. So I'm gonna put it back. Okay, then the box behind. There's a Type-C charger. This one is just like a not the fast charging one, is the normal one. And then you have this. The screw. Quite small. The other day I thought it was a bit bigger. And this one also. Okay. And this, I'm not sure what it is. I'm not sure. It's like a sticker. Probably if you are not using the what is this? The screw. Oh, there's another small one. So, screw. Probably. I'm not sure. I'm not a professional, so probably just stick here like this. So it's a double-sided tape. Okay, and then here's the manual. Yeah, Tuya Smart Visual Doorbell instruction. So it's actually a Tuya Smart Visual. Okay, here. Oh, there's okay. I forgot. This is my okay. Okay. Can you see? I hopefully you can see. Yeah, I think this one also for another shop or brand also selling the quite the same design, probably the same also the way how it looks also. So yeah, this is just unboxing for this Tuya wireless doorbell with a camera and Wi-Fi. So thank you very much for watching, and if you're interested with the product, I probably put on the link below the video. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. This is Dior Shaari sign out from Maison Dor Network. Bye bye.